Right when we walk in, watermelons for a great price. Elsie found one. Go for it, girl. Easy, fresh snack. Can you carry it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get Fuji apples for $4.52. $1.58 a pound for red grapes. They feel nice and firm. Elsie requested we make a cherry pineapple marshmallow whipped cream salad that I used to have when I was a kid. So I need crushed pineapple, $1.28. Is this your favorite? Okay, we're getting hot dog buns, $1.38. I'm gonna get 2 packs for 16 hot dogs. Do you think 16 is enough, Else? Okay, I am making dirt cake, not for the pool party, but for going to a family dinner, and I need Twist and Shout double stuffed. I'm actually gonna get 2 packs of the family size. We'll have leftovers, but I always like a little extra. $2.88 a piece. Okay, I need multiple pudding packs. I'm gonna get 2, I think that's enough. 83 cents a piece. For the dessert, we need marshmallows, and Elsie wants to put her own little flair. We're gonna get the fruity colored ones, right? Next on the ingredient list is we need cherry pie filling. This one's unsweetened, so we don't want that one. We want this one. $2.92. Elsie's biggest request, because everyone in her class supposedly loves these, Blue Heat Takis. Are you happy, girl?
Yes.
All for you guys. They're $4.98. Original potato chips, $1.98. Wait, we are women, so we have the option to change our mind. We are going to get the Rippled Original Party Size, $3.18. Yummy. Okay, we're gonna get this bag of movie theater buttered popcorn, $1.98. We've never had this before, so hopefully it's good. Okay, we're gonna get 2 packs of the all beef ballpark bun size hot dogs, $3.97 a piece. Elsie's gonna grab a French onion cheap deep, and it's $2.17. We need to get Cool Whip for the salads. We're gonna get 2 of these. $1.07 a piece. My daughter is also making an apple pie, which is why we got the apples, and I'm gonna get her this in case she wants it. 2 pie crusts for $2.62. Okay, we're also gonna have lemonade and water, and we're gonna get 2 of these at $4.28 a piece. So we're done with food. Now we have to go get the party supplies like plates, napkins. How you feeling, Else?
Good.
Did you remember your wallet? Because you're gonna pay. Elsie and I think we found the cutest plates of all time. These smiley faces. They're 97 cents for 10, so we'll probably get 2 of those packs and 2 of the small plates, and they're just too cute. She's happy. We're getting slightly less girly napkins, a rainbow pack, 97 cents for 20. We'll get 2 of those as well. Lots of choices here. And you know what? This is better than the Dollar Tree now, because the Dollar Tree is a $1.25 tree. We are going to get forks. Elsie's going to grab those, 24 for $1. I have to show you guys, these are really cute napkins, but they're 3 times the price, and I don't think kids will care that much. They're cute though, party time. Okay, we're gonna get these clear cups. I think they're $4.68, 100 of them, but things are kind of moved around. No, that's not, it says 25 count. $4.68, probably. Okay, party people, here's our basket. We have lots of things at home that are gonna supplement this, of course, but does anyone have a guess on our total? One more addition. We did not see these until we're heading to the cash register. I think they're $6.47 though. Kids always love these. Our total only came to $80.17. We were both pleased with that. Now Elsie said she's not going to pay, so I guess it's up to Mom.